Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the garden for another tour in the garden, guys. The garden is so luscious. It's been raining for 2 days and everything is changing in the garden. Look at this. All those pots went out. I can't even find my way over here. But I am so happy how the garden is turning out, guys. The only thing with me in the garden, I have to go move this garden, guys. I have to move everything. I need to hiring people to help me move all those pots on the garden. I am snacking on blueberry. The blueberry doing so good this year. Look at them. I've been snacking on them. I don't know how much that's going to cost me, but I have to move garden.